Now, as we continue our build-up to the 5-day Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, we turn our attention to Excelsior High School boys. Two of their athletes are looking to write their own lines in the 2026 chapter of this prestigious event.
Throughout the years, the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships has offered excitement, surprises and setbacks, but also some memorable comebacks, and the 2026 edition is expected to deliver the same. For Excelsior High's Class 2 athlete Jaden Campbell, this year's championship is hopefully his best yet. The hurdler is unbeaten so far in 2026 and has already produced some statement performances, including a new meet record in the Class 2 boys 400-meter hurdles at the Corporate Area Athletics Championships with a time of 50.91 seconds.
So far, I'm happy about how far I've come, seeing as last year. Unfortunate events let me miss champs, but this year, going into the championship, I'm more confident that my performance will be better.
Though young, Campbell has already had to deal with disappointments and setbacks, but mentally he believes he's in a good place heading into the championship.
Last year I missed champs due to a little injury that I picked up at the Corporate Area Championships, and mentally it was very frustrating, seeing as I know what my talent is, and I know how far I've come and how hard I've worked, and for all of that to be taken away from me just by one slight mistake, it's really heartbreaking. But we just have to focus on the future and forget about the setbacks.
And mental toughness seemed to be a recurring theme running through the Excelsior camp, as like Campbell, Keyshawn Hoffman has also had to deal with a setback early in the season that almost shattered his confidence.
I would say on that January, at that time, I opened my season at Pure Water. I run 52.2 and 2.4. After that, I pick up a little niggle in my quad, and that set me back. I've been feeling it from the background training in 2025, but it showed me back. It destroyed my mindset in a way, but I rebuilt. I came again and gradually build back myself step by step, so I can, when I came to carpet, I just put everything together and just run.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships will run from March 24 to 28 at the National Stadium, with live coverage on TVJ, TVJSN, along with radio coverage on Fame 95 FM. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.